Zoe don't play, okay? She do not freaking play. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving Mamacita. For those of you who are brand new, I welcome you. This is the channel where we do a lot of monthly subscription box unboxings, seasonal unboxings, product hauls, reviews, that kind of thing. We have a blast here in a very, very fun and festive unboxing manner. So thank you for joining me. I am so excited today to share with you my unboxing of the Icon Box for Curateur. Okay, so Curateur got a very high rating on my Rate That Box segment last time, so I'm very excited to see how they do with this Icon Box. The Icon Box is a limited edition box, and it is in celebration of fashion icon and entrepreneur Iris Apfel's 100th birthday. So this particular box includes upgrades for your wardrobe, your beauty routine, and home entertaining that will encourage you to live life more fabulously with Iris as your muse. So the Icon Box is going to include, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 different items. And if you don't have a membership, I'm sorry, but you do not have access to this particular box. So if you love Curateur, if you haven't tried it yet, but you want to try it and you want to get this box or any other limited edition boxes, you have to have a membership. So let's go ahead and unbox the Icon Box for Curateur.
A few moments later.
Ooh, look. So that's what it looks like inside. And it looks like on the top we have a magazine. So this magazine is actually the same one as I received in my seasonal Curateur box, it looks like. It has Chrissy Turlington Burns on the top. Also has the different products that were in the seasonal box. Lauren Parrish Walker. All of the descriptions of the items that are in the seasonal box, and just some fun little ideas for your fashion for the fall. On the top, we also have a postcard that says, "Welcome to a life well curated." Basically welcoming you to the membership experience and their appreciation for you as a member. So super cool there. It looks like whatever was inside this little wrapping here fell out. So great idea. Look at that. It is Rachel Zoe and Iris. Cute little stickers of those two ladies on there. Everything fell out of the tissue paper. The postcard on there says it's Curateur for Fit for an Icon in celebration of her birthday. Happy birthday, Iris. And then we have the 4 items here. So excited. Okay, so here is the first one. This is called Chantecaille. I don't know how to say that, but this is actually a clay mask. It's a new type of clay mask that is infused with botanicals that leave your skin feeling soft and supple. I love masks, you guys. So this is gonna be super fun to try. I cannot pronounce this, Chantecaille, I don't know, but it says it is a detox clay mask with rosemary and honey. I'm gonna open it up for you guys so you can see it. Oh, it is a dark colored mask, clay mask. Smells really good too. I cannot wait to try this, you guys. I love detoxifying masks. These are super awesome. Just to kind of relax in the bathtub, put on your mask and just, yeah. Looks like the value on that clay mask is $85. Next up, we have an Eddie Borgo chain link necklace. I got this necklace in my last Curateur box. Isn't that gorgeous? I freaking love it. I wear it a lot. It's so awesome. So I'm super excited to see this one. This is Eddie Borgo. Please enjoy your handmade piece of Eddie Borgo jewelry. To maintain the beauty of your piece, do not swim, bathe, or shower in your jewelry. I won't do that. In my seasonal box, I did receive the Eddie Borgo dangly earrings, and it looks like this necklace is a perfect match to those earrings. So that is super cool. But look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness, I'll have to take the plastic off. It is so pretty, look at that. The value on this necklace, the value of this necklace is $350. I don't think I've ever even owned a necklace worth that much.
That is insane.
So you guys know I wouldn't be buying this on the regular. So to get this in a box like this, girl. The last couple of items we have, it looks like these are called Tanqueray cocktail charms. Aren't those cute? How fancy are those? Look at those things. Okay, so they say sip in style, let the fun begin, and Tanqueray, and then the other one has just like a cute little cocktail glass on it. Those are super cute. Finally, we have the MAC Retro Matte Lipstick. Ooh, girl. So this has a retail value of $19. It is Ruby Woo. That is the color of it. And as you can see, it is a dark red. Gotta love a nice red color. It is, I think red looks great on everybody. So it's universal in my book. But here is the MAC. Gotta love the MAC brand. And the red lipstick. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So this is what it would look like on my skin. Very dark, very red, very pretty. Love that. That concludes the unboxing of the Curateur Icon Box. The price of the box that I paid was $49.99, and the value of everything in this box total $454. Let's go ahead and do a quick review, and then we are going to rate that box. We received the MAC lipstick, Play Mask, the Tanqueray charms, and the Eddie Borgo Supra chain necklace. All of those items, you guys, in the box for $49.99. Let's go ahead and do our thing. Let's go ahead and rate that box, rate that box, rate that box, rate that box. So when we rate the box, you know how we do. We rate based on a few different factors, and then we calculate and we tabulate, and we come up with one score on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, don't go there, and a 10 being, yes, queen, you need to buy this freaking box. What I love about this particular box, you guys, is that it's for members only. If you are a Curateur member, they do offer different options for kind of like a limited edition type of box situation. And this particular box is called the Icon Box. It was just $49.99, and it included a variety of items. Super fun, super awesome. OM freaking G. I freaking love it. I loved it. Now, granted, it wasn't a big surprise to me what I was going to be getting in this box because it is a limited edition and they had to list these items on the website. So I knew what I was getting. It wasn't a big surprise, but I must say it was definitely worth the money. Curateur has nailed it. I love the variety of the items. I love the quality of these items. This necklace I received in the last box. I'm loving it. I'm definitely using all of these items, and I'm gonna use all of these items. So that is super freaking awesome. We're gonna go ahead and give this box a rating, you guys. Are you ready? Put your thinking hats on. I wanna know what you would rate this box. All right, here we go. Curateur Icon Box. Let's give you your score now. You get a 8.5. Woo! Yes! I have to say, I'm loving Curator so far. I truly, truly love this box. For real. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, all of that jazz, and we will see you in the next video.